So children, directly we'll start with the fourth sum now. 5 upon 12. So 12 is your denominator, that's divisor, and 5 is your dividend. Now with 5 we cannot, so just put a 0, 0. So 5 is brought down. Point, add a 0. 12, how many times? 12 fours are 48. Then what will remain? 2. Now we can put a 0 on our own since we have put the decimal form. So next will be 12 ones are 20. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. So 20 minus 12 will give us 8. Okay. There is little shaking in this part. Okay, now 0 on our own, 80. So 12 into what will give us? 6 are. Right, no? 6 are 72. Borrow. So how much? 8. Then again 0. Then 6 are. Then again 72. So you will notice that this is happening now. Again 6 will be repeated. So no need to do it further. You know it's going to be repeated. So you can stop at this point. Okay. So how will we write the answer, children? Answer has to be written down like this. 0.416 one time and just a dot. Okay. This is recurring. Recurring means again it is the same remainder 6. So we just put a dot, or we could also write it this way, 0.416 and a small bar over 6. So with this, any person who knows maths will understand that 6 is recurring in this decimal fraction. So we can write the answer as 5 upon 12 is equal to 0.416, either bar or just a dot, children. Hope it's clear. Now next sum, children. Fifth sum, 22 upon 7. So let us start. 7, 22. So 7 3s are 21. How much will be remainder? 1. Okay. Now with 1 we cannot divide. So we need to put a 0 here, and for that first we need to put a point, children. So I put a 0. Now 7 ones are, because 7 twos is 14. So 7 ones are. How much will remain? 3. Okay, we can put a 0 on our own. 30. So closest to 30 will be 7 fours are 28. 4s are 28. So here how much will remain? 2. You can add a 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So 2s are 14. So how much will remain over here? 6. Okay. We can put 0 on our own. Now closest to 60 will be how much? 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. So it will be 8s are. 7 8s are 56. So how much will remain over here? 10 minus 6 will be 4. Put a 0. 7 7s are 49. So 7 6s are how much? 42. So we have to go for 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. It's going little beta, but all we have to understand the concept. 40 minus 35 will be 5. So 5. Put a 0. So 50. Now which is the closest one for 50? 7. That's right. Yes. How many times? So we got 50, and everybody knows which is the closest one. 7 7s are 49. Okay. 7 7s are 49. Look at the number, children. It's going big. But we have to find out whether it's a recurring or it's a terminating. Terminating means remainder we get 0. And non-terminating recurring means it will go on. We have to divide, and then there will be a number which is again repeating. Number or numbers. Now we'll see in this 49. How much is the remainder? 1. You can put a 0 on our own. So it will be now 1s are. 7 1s are 7. How much will remain? 3. 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Now look at this, children. This number is repeating. Can you all notice that? 3.14285 1 4. Now 1 4, if you go on dividing, you are going to get this whole number repeated. That means 142857. This number is going to repeat again. It is going to repeat. It's not going to finish. It's going to keep on reoccurring. Okay, it's going to recur. So that's why we'll put the bar over 142857. We can stop at this. Once we know that it is recurring, we have to stop. So the answer will be 22 upon 7 is equal to, down we'll write down since the quotient is big, 3.142857. Above this bar, complete bar above all the numbers, okay, from 1 till 7 the bar should be extended. So now with this we will understand. Whoever looks at it, they'll say, okay, this is repeated, this is recurring, these numbers are recurring. Okay, so I hope you'll have understood. See, look at these numbers. Now 1 4. Now you go on dividing still further, you're going to get the same numbers. Again you'll divide, again the same numbers, it will go on recurring. So this is why it's called as non-terminating recurring decimal form, children. We'll see the sixth one, 4 upon 3. Okay, 4 upon 3. So let us divide. Three ones are 3. So 1 is the remainder. We can put a point, add a 0. 3 3s are 9, because you know 3 4s are 12. So 3 3s are 9. 1 remainder. You can add a 0. 3 3s are 9. So you have already understood this 3 3 3 3 is going to repeat. Just to show you, once more I'll show you. We can add a 0 and then we can add a 0 and 3s are again 9. Okay, so this will go on repeating because here 3 is a recurring decimal form. 3 will go on repeating. So we can stop after this 2 repetition. So 4 upon 3 is equal to 1.3, either a point or you could write down 1.3, a small bar. So you know that 1.3, 3 is recurring in this decimal form. Okay. One more I'll explain. Seventh one, 7 upon 9. I have a little lighting problem, children. 7 upon 9. So that is 9, 7. Okay. Now what will happen in this case? So 9 and 7, so we'll put a 0, 9 zeros are 0 and 7 will come down. We can put a point, so we can add a 0. So which is the closest number? 9 7s are 63. Otherwise 9 8s are how much? 72. So 9 7s are 63 minus, so 7, a 0. Again 9 7s are 63. So you are going to get 7 only as a remainder. That means 7 is a recurring decimal form here. So 7 upon 9 is equal to 0.7 dot, or as I told you, 0.7, a small bar. Now we go on for practice set 25, children. Just before this, just remember the simple rules of BODMAS. Okay, that is, first, whenever you are given an expression with multiple, like multiplication, division, brackets and all, first you have to solve the bracket. No matter what is in the bracket, first the bracket has to be solved and then you go on for division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let us see the first sum. 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. So 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. First we will multiply this. 50 into 50 into 5 will be how much? 250. 5 is 25. Divided by 2 plus 24. This will give me 250 divided by 2 will be how much, children? You can divide and see here. 250 divided by 2. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Here 1 and 0 comes down. 2 5s are 10. So 125, right? So 125 plus 24, and that is equal to 9. 2 plus 2 4, 149. This is the answer. Clear? Next is 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. So first we have to do the bracket. First we have to solve the bracket. So 13 into 4 is how much? 4 3s are 12, 2, 1 carried, 4 1s are 4, 5, 52. Divided by 2 minus 26. So now first this division. 52 divided by 2 will be 2 2s are 4, 1 carried here. See, I'll show you. 52 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. So 1 comes down, and 2 to 6 are 12. So that is 16. Correct, na? Sorry, 2 2s are 4 it is. 26. So 26 minus 26 is equal to 0. 52 divided